Hi, I'm Elaine Masters. I love to eat seafood, and I just attended an amazing event. When scientists, fishermen, and chefs get together, then invite the public to join them, you know there's going to be a fascinating party. And that's what happened in San Diego at the Ocean to Table Seafood Festival. The core and impetus for the celebration was reducing food waste. Doesn't sound very tasty? Well, you'd be wrong. For the past few years, several species of fish have been showing up in local fish markets here. The star is Opah, a warm-blooded deep-sea fish that hangs around tuna schools. Also, thresher sharks, an abundant species, and both come up on lines and in nets where fishermen are trying to catch more popular seafood. And we're being thrown back into the ocean when they could be delicious additions to our plates. They're affordable and abundant. But how to prepare them? And that was part of the event. Also, Aruma scientists answered questions. There were prizes, music, and lots of fish-inspired art. You may not have attended the event, but you can find out a lot more at Fishwatch.gov and CatalinaOP.com/Opah. This was a collaboration funded by NOAA's Saltonstall-Kennedy Program. Thank you for watching. I'm Elaine Masters. Bon appetit!